it's Bunnies and welcome back to another video. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, it's been 3 days. Got the iPhone SX Max. I feel like that is a tongue twister. And I got it in the 256 gig version, which is the middle grade version. There's a smaller storage and a larger storage, so I literally got right in the middle. From the jump, I want to tell you guys how much this bad boy is. Okay, this thing is like $1,250, $1,249.99. I got mine from Verizon. I did pre-order it the day that it dropped and was available to pre-order it. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys today because it came on the 21st and I haven't opened it yet. So see, it's all still intact. So this is a very, very pricey phone, obviously, and I am upgrading from the 7 Plus. I keep wanting to say the 7S Plus. The 7 Plus, I never got the 8 and I didn't get the 10 originally because I had literally just upgraded to this phone when the 8 came out, like the 8 and 10 came out like right before I got that, or right after I got that one. So I kind of waited a little while and now I'm upgrading to the SX Max. I'm actually upgrading to this because I'm going to be sending this phone to my mom so we can FaceTime. If you guys don't know, I'm in DC and I'm from California. So my mom's in California and we don't really get to FaceTime very much. So we're gonna be using this to FaceTime. And you might be like, Ray, that's a bit extra to go for the SX Max just to FaceTime when you could have downloaded the WhatsApp app. But anyways, look, it just happened, okay? And I obviously really wanted the phone. I got the gold. Let's just start the unboxing. I hope I don't drop this on accident. I'm actually so glad I grabbed that because I could have seen myself, oh, this box is just like sliding. It's just like wanting to open itself. All right, so the packaging is literally very, very similar to the normal iPhone boxes. The same feel, nothing different. It comes with a design by Apple in California pamphlet and the Apple sticker. If you like the Apple stickers, you get them here. So if you want your stickers, don't throw this out. And here's the moment we've all been waiting for, the phone itself. Hey, look, that's me. That's my camera. Say hello. Don't you come out. So here, oh geez. Okay, oh my God. So here's the phone, right? It's so beautiful. And then we turn it around to the back. And this is the gold. I got the gold. I feel like you can't really tell that it's gold too much. It almost looks white to me, but it is a beautiful gold color. It almost to me looks like rose gold. I've watched a lot of people who got this color and I was like, damn, I'm hella basic. But my iPhone right now is gold as well. So I want to keep it in the gold family. So here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how the peel porn. Look how reflective this is. That is, look, you could still see me. Hi. Okay, sorry. Anyway, it almost looks like an opal-y gold color. I feel like there's like an, I don't know, something that reminds me of an opal when I look at this. And it almost like kind of looks white, but not really. Ooh, and this light, like right here, you can see it better gold, like when it's flat. Let me show you guys the difference of gold. I don't mind the dirtiness of it, but here's my old phone that's gold, and here's the new gold iPhone. This does not come in rose gold. These, obviously there is rose gold. I didn't get rose gold in this one. This is just regular gold, but in case we have any super rose gold fans, this doesn't come in rose gold. It's just the space gray, the black, I think, and the gold color. So here's the difference, which to me is a pretty massive difference, not only in color, but actually like obviously the glazy mirroriness as well. And the cameras are different. Okay, so some notable features that are different from this than this. I don't have the 8 or the 10, so I don't really know much about them. But from the 7 Plus is there's no home. Hi, that's my mom, that's me, and that's yeah. So there's no home key on this new iPhone, which is gonna be really, really weird to me to not have a home key. I'm like so used to hitting the home key. There's also no fingerprint like unlocking. Like right now, oh, I dropped my phone. Right now I have the fingerprint unlock. See, so this doesn't have it. This has the face recognition, and I hope that it recognizes me with and without makeup. We'll see. So the things I'm super excited about with this phone is not only the camera, I just punched myself in the face with it, not only the camera or the quality of the camera, the back camera, the front camera, all that good stuff, is there is a feature where you can blur out your background, which I love because I love taking photos on my phone for my Instagram. That's like literally most of my photos are all from my phone on my Instagram. So I love the fact that you can blur out the background. So I'm super excited to try out the blur feature, or like the blur edition, which I think is super cool. And then also, from what I've seen, is that you're supposed to now be able to take photos in front of a really crazy well-lit area and actually still capture the background pretty well. So it won't blow out your photos. Like, you know, sometimes if you're on the beach or, I don't know, there's like something like the sun behind you and you're like, oh, this is such a cute picture, and everything was just, it actually has the silver, the space gray one, and the space gray one, it looks white. I don't know, it's so, these are so weird when it comes to coloring, but it is a very pretty color. I'm gonna show you guys the case that I got. I was looking for a yellow case, but they didn't have any yellow cases at the Apple store, and the gentleman who sold this to me said that, can I stop hitting myself in the face? The guy who sold this to me at the Apple store said that basically their cases and their colors are kind of seasonal, so they actually had a yellow one, but I missed it. And this was the color that I chose. This is an apricot color. This was $39 at the Apple store. This is a silicone case because I cannot be trusted with any phone unless it's in a case. Like, I drop it. It's really weird too. This is like fuzzy on the inside. Can you guys see the fuzz? Like it's so fuzzy. It's almost like a suede-y feel. It's really weird, but it's a really pretty color case and I like that. So I am going to be covering up the beautiful gold. Some of you guys might say, Ray, why even get the gold if you're just gonna cover it up? Well, why get a phone if you're just gonna drop it all the time and ruin it? Don't know how that made my point, but still, there you go. Now you can't tell that it's gold. But I know it's gold deep down in here. I was actually looking for the the battery pack iPhone cases. I really wanted one of those. I was like, I'm gonna get one for this phone because my battery always runs out. And this I think has like 13-hour time battery, 13 hours of battery life. There we go. I might be wrong, give or take, but I think that's a rough estimate of what the battery life is for this. And for me, 13 hours gets sucked up like that because I have my phone on bright most of the time, like pretty bright, and I'm always on it. So 13 hours doesn't actually work for me. 13 hours ends up being like 5 hours or like 6 hours. One of the charging case, but the rep at Apple said that they actually didn't have those yet. He said that he wouldn't doubt that they'd get those maybe like in a couple weeks or maybe a month, but at the moment, or at least when I got it, which was the day of release, the 21st, they didn't have it. So this is 3 or 4 days after the release, and I'm assuming they still don't have it. But he said they'll probably be coming in within like the next couple weeks or a month. He said sometimes with the cases, it can take them a little while. So for the cases with these that I've seen at the Apple store were the silicone cases and then like the leather cases, and that was essentially kind of all that I saw. And I chose a silicone case just because I felt like it looks kind of like, I like the coloring better. And the leather cases, there was actually a gentleman there who was like, they kind of wear and break down. So like if you want something that might last you a little bit longer, this one might. So we'll see. Another thing to note that's really not a big deal, but just a fun fact, these side buttons are different sizes. This side button is a lot bigger than this side button. And then also what else comes in here are, get your headphones that don't fit in any other phone or any other anything. You can't use them in literally except for on Apple stuff. Here they are, and that's actually great because I always lose them. I don't even know where my other headphones are, so I'm gonna like probably keep these hidden because it steals my headphones. What? But I also have the AirPods as well. So, and then obviously comes this is literally the clumsiest iPhone unboxing I think I've ever think of. It comes with the charger as well, and that's all that comes in the boxes. That's usually all that ever comes in the iPhone or Apple product boxes. It's usually whatever it is you're getting, possibly headphones, and then just the charger, and that's it. There's nothing special. They're not gonna give you anything special. They're like, this is the product. I have blessed you with it. So that is going to be it for today's video. I'm super excited to be trying this and like using the camera of it. Hopefully my picture quality is like a bajillion times better on my Instagram. So just know hopefully a girl has stepped up her game. Aunt always too makes fun of me because when I get a new iPhone, I want to record the unboxing for you guys. I know I'm not the techiest person ever, but I just think it's fun to unbox these with you guys. That way you guys can see it, you guys can see what I got, what I chose, why I chose the way I did. And yeah, he always makes fun of me because I wait to open them with you guys and then I don't end up using them for like 3 or 4 days. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys like this video, that was my new phone. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys! Mwah!